Kuringana na bodi ya urugamiriri wa kigina kia Ngaaf, namba nene ya Kenya nirikitie guteithika na njira itiganite kuhitukira kigina giki, uguo hakigia bata wakio kuongererwo. Hindi ya guthomithia maabitha Ngaaf na arugamiriri a kigina giki kaunti-ini itiganite mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, murugamiriri munene wa kigina giki Royce Sekatelewa augite kuhitukira mbeca ici moguni kiondorita nimakinyire mbeu njithi ciana iria ciumite micii itehotete, atumia airetu na aria mari na mawathe.
We have bursaries, we have scholarships, we have value addition projects, we have county-wide projects. So when you look at the impact across the country, we would want to say that the fund has been able to impact a huge number of and a greater number of actually the hustlers in our community.
We are starting by informing our people, our teams, what is expected of them, what their role is when they are performing their duties at the county level.
Ona gutuika budget ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2023-2024 ni yatigireire kigina giki kiongererwo kuma ciringi bilioni 2 nginyagia ciringi bilioni 3. Fata wa kurehe nyongerera ugataririo muikariri wa Ngaaf Rachel Musyoki akiuga riu wa Kenya makiria ni makuguneka kuna kigina giki kiratambio kuringana na county.
We've done several projects that have touched life. Our major project being the safe house that we are putting up for the GBV survivors, and also the GBV gender call desks that we have put in each and one police station in every constituency in Nairobi.
That has transformed the fund to get an allocation of 3 billion to actually focus on the vulnerable and affirmative groups. Over the years, the fund has been able to do a greater impact in the communities, and we believe this addition will add more value to the same.
Kurituha kwa garama ya muturire gukagwetwo gucungiriria namba ya aria maramatha kigina giki makiria hari uteithio wa basari kuongerereka na njira nene.
Na sisi kama afisa wa serikali, sisi ndio macho ya serikali, na tunaungana pamoja na wale ambao wamepewa nafasi kuzingatia kwamba pesa za serikali zinatumiwa vilivyo na mwananchi ndiye anapata manufaa.
The need is too huge as compared to the resources that we have, and we believe that is the reason why we have also been advocating for additional resources to meet the ever increasing need in our community.
Hadi ni Akameme TV, leto lako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.